When I was working as an au pair for an Italian family in Turin, the 3 children I looked after would begin every meal with a cheerful chorus of
Buon appetito!
"Enjoy your meal," an expression many Italians say before eating.
Buon appetito!
The proper response to this expression is
Grazie altrettanto!
"Thanks, likewise," or
Grazie anche a te, anche a voi.
"Thanks, and to you," or "you too."
La cena è servita. Buon appetito! Grazie altrettanto!
Dinner is served. Enjoy your meal. Thanks, you too. Buon appetito is the precise equivalent of the well-known French expression bon appétit, which we've borrowed into English. This phrase, which literally translates as good appetite, has been in use as far back as the Middle Ages. During times of bountiful harvest or special occasions such as weddings, servants would be invited to partake in the feast by high-ranking officials who would wish them buon appetito before eating. When economic conditions improved in the subsequent centuries, buon appetito transformed from an invitation to the poor into a general exclamation of gratitude. Fast forward to today, and you're either in the buon appetito camp or you aren't. I've met many Italians who would not begin their meal without saying this expression. Yet there's a growing segment of the population that feels the phrase is outdated, even uncouth, as it harks back to a time of class division. Some specifically dislike the word
Appetito!
for its association with gluttony. In high-class society, many prefer more formal expressions such as
Prego!
please. No matter where you stand, there's no question that buon appetito is still very much in use across Italy. Waiters say it with a gleeful smile as they serve you your meal, children say it to their parents, hosts say it to their guests, and it's not uncommon to say it between friends either if you all go out for a pizza one night. In short, the tradition varies from family to family and region to region. To conclude, here's a fun expression for the kids if they're learning Italian as well.
Buon appetito, piatto pulito!
Good appetite, clean plate.
Grazie per averci seguito.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.